Welcome. In this advocacy lesson, we'll be focusing on examination in chief. Specifically, how to deal with a forgetful witness. In criminal cases, before giving evidence in court, a witness will have made a written statement about the incident or event they will later give evidence to the court about. Generally, in criminal cases, a witness may not read or refer to their witness statement whilst giving evidence in court. However, if a witness has trouble remembering some detail about the incident or event, the witness may be allowed to refresh his or her memory by rereading the witness statement whilst in the witness box. It's not uncommon for witnesses to forget some detail relating to their evidence. Giving evidence in court can be a stressful experience. Understandably, witnesses may be nervous, which can lead to forgetfulness. So what should a barrister do when faced with a forgetful witness?
You say a man attacked you. Please describe the man.
I can't recall what he looked like.
Should the barrister ignore the fact the witness has forgotten her evidence and simply move on?
I would like to move on.
Should the barrister reprimand the witness for not remembering her evidence? Should the barrister simply give the evidence himself? Or should the barrister ask the judge to permit the witness to refresh her memory from her witness statement? The barrister should ask the judge to permit the witness to refresh her memory from her witness statement. However, there are certain conditions and formalities that have to be observed before a witness can refresh their memory from an earlier written document. The relevant provision is Section 139 of the Criminal Justice Act 2003. This provides that a witness may refresh his memory from a document made or verified by him at an earlier time. The conditions for refreshing memory are that the witness states in his oral evidence that the document records his recollection of the matter and that his recollection at that earlier time is likely to have been significantly better than when he is giving his evidence in court. Now, assume you are the trial judge. Samantha has forgotten her evidence.
You say a man attacked you. Please describe the man.
I can't recall what he looked like.
Do you recall making a witness statement in relation to this incident?
Yes, I do.
That statement was made on the 17th of January. Is that correct?
Yes.
Would you say that your memory was better at the time you made your statement than now?
Yes, definitely.
Your Honour, may the witness have leave to refresh her memory from her witness statement?
If you were the judge, would you allow the witness to refresh her memory from her witness statement? The answer is no. The barrister did not establish that the witness's recollection was significantly better at the time she made her witness statement. Simply stating that the witness's memory was better does not fulfill the requirements of the test set out in Section 139. Let's assume that all formalities were complied with and that the judge has given permission for Samantha to refresh her memory from the witness statement.
Perhaps Miss Tanaka's statement could be handed to her? Miss Tanaka, is that your signature on the witness statement?
Yes, it is.
Then I invite you to turn to the second page of your statement. Please read the second paragraph to yourself.
Yes, I have read it.
Are you now able to describe the man who you say attacked you?
Yes, he was about 1'9", heavy build. I think he was about 30. He had short brown hair, brown eyes, and olive skin.
You now know how to memory refresh a witness. See you next time.